Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023. The first question. In July 2023, the Union Cabinet approved the bill to include the National Institute of Industrial Engineering (NITI) in Mumbai as the Indian Institute of Management (IIM) of India. Options are A. 21st, B. 22nd, C. 23rd, D. 24th, E. 25th. Time starts now. And the answer is A. 21st. Next question. Name the state government that has recently, in July 23, signed an MoU with OneWeb to set up India's first private satellite network portal site. Options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Kerala, D. Odisha, E. West Bengal. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Gujarat. Next question. Which of the following organizations has recently, in July 23, launched a report, The Paths to Equal Twin Indices on Women's Empowerment and Gender Equality, with key highlighting that less than 1% of women and girls live in countries with both high levels of women's empowerment and high gender parity? Options are A. United Nations, UN, Women, B. United Nations Development Programme, C. United Nations Children's Fund, D. Both 1 and 2, E. Both 1 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Both 1 and 2. Next question. Which of the following organizations/statutory bodies has recently, in July 23, decided to lift trading curbs on micro-cap stocks that come under Enhanced Surveillance Measures (ESM)? Options are A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, B. National Stock Exchange, C. Bombay Stock Exchange, D. Both 1 and 2, E. All 1, 2 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is E. All 1, 2 and 3. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in July 23, crossed $100 billion valuation and emerged as the world's 7th largest lender. Options are A. Deutsche Bank, B. HDFC Bank, C. China Construction Bank, D. Citigroup, E. Morgan Stanley. Time starts now. And the answer is B. HDFC Bank. Next question. Which ministry/company has recently, in July 23, won the Best Engagement category for its achievements on e-procurement through the Government e-Marketplace (GeM) portal? Options are A. NLC India Limited, B. Ministry of Coal, C. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, D. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, E. Ministry of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Ministry of Coal. Next question. Who has been recently, in July 23, appointed as the Managing Director, MD, of Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC? Options are A. Gurumurthy Mahalingam. B. M. Jagannath. C. Suchindra Mishra. D. Satpal Bhanu. E. Siddharth Mohanty. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Satpal Bhanu. Next question. Who has recently, in July 23, won the Super GM Chess Tournament 2023 held in Budapest, Hungary? Options are A. Magnus Carlsen, Norway. B. R. Pragyananand, India. C. Sanans Jogirov, Russia. D. Peter Prohaska, Hungary. E. Gukesh D, India. Time starts now. And the answer is B. R. Pragyananand, India. Next question. Which state government has recently, in July 23, launched a electric vehicle (EV) subsidy portal to enable citizens to apply online for subsidies available on purchase of EV? Options are A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. E. Odisha. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which country has recently, in July 23, signed a Memorandum of Cooperation (MOC) with India for Semiconductor Supply Chain Partnership? Options are A. Japan. B. China. C. Brazil. D. Argentina. E. UAE. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Japan. Next question. Which organization has recently, in July 23, signed a Memorandum of Association (MOA) with the India Chamber of Business and Commerce, India Chamber, to promote India as global hub in healthcare manufacturing? Options are A. National Institute of Mental Health. B. National Health Authority. C. Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. D. Indian Council of Medical Research. E. WHO India. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Indian Council of Medical Research. Next question. In July 2023, the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, extended the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana (ABVKI) up to dash. Options are A. 30th of June 2025. B. 30th of June 2024. C. 30th of June 2026. D. 30th of June 2027. E. 30th of June 2028. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 30th of June 2024. Next question. Which city has recently, in July 23, got India's first Construction Innovation Hub (CIH) that will serve as a platform to promote innovation and entrepreneurship? Options are A. Mumbai, Maharashtra. B. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. C. Kochi, Kerala. D. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. E. Bengaluru, Karnataka. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Kochi, Kerala. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in July 23, launched resources acquisition centers to build up deposit portfolio. Options are A. Bank of India, B. SBI, C. Indian Bank, D. Punjab National Bank, E. Bank of Baroda. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Indian Bank. Next question. Who was recently, in July 23, appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director, CMD, of Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL? Options are A. Sanghamitra Mishra, B. Amadhava Rao, C. Narayana Murthy, D. Anurag Bajpai, E. Nuka Srinivaslu. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Amadhava Rao.